Welcome to the incredible world of ants, an extraordinary realm where sheer strength, ingenious strategy, and unparalleled social cooperation converge to create one of nature's most fascinating and awe-inspiring spectacles. These tiny architects of the earth wield power and intelligence that belies their minuscule size, orchestrating complex societies that rival the most sophisticated civilizations known to humanity. Today, we're embarking on a captivating journey into the heart of their diminutive yet astonishingly vast world, exploring some of the most intriguing facts about these tiny titans. From their superhuman strength, capable of lifting objects many times their own weight, to their complex societies that operate with impeccable efficiency and harmony. Ants are not merely inhabitants of our ecosystem, but are among its most essential and industrious engineers. Their ability to adapt, communicate, and collaborate is a source of endless fascination and admiration, offering profound insights into the power of collective effort and intelligence. Join us as we delve deep into the lives of ants, uncovering the secrets of their success and the vital roles they play in sustaining the balance of life on Earth. Ants are renowned for their extraordinary strength, capable of carrying 10 to 50 times their body weight. This incredible power is attributed to their muscular structure and the advantageous leverage provided by their small size. Imagine if humans had that kind of strength. With over 12,000 known species, and scientists estimating there could be as many as 20,000, ants have colonized almost every corner of the globe, except Antarctica. This diversity showcases their unparalleled adaptability to a wide range of environments. Beneath our feet, some ant species build vast underground cities, extending up to 25 feet deep. The largest recorded colony stretched over 3,700 miles across Europe, a testament to their architectural prowess. Ants have developed a sophisticated method of communication, relying on chemical signals known as pheromones. These signals enable them to alert the colony to danger, find food, and guide others to resources, showcasing a remarkable level of coordination. The lifespan of an ant varies dramatically, from a few months for workers to up to 30 years for queens, depending on their role within the colony. The longevity of queen ants highlights the resilience and enduring nature of ant societies. Some ants have even taken up farming. Leafcutter ants cut leaves to cultivate fungus, their primary food source, engaging in agricultural practices that rival human farming techniques, complete with pest control methods. In certain ecosystems, ants are the primary movers of soil, surpassing even earthworms. They play a crucial role in aerating the soil, facilitating the flow of water and oxygen to plant roots. Ants are master navigators, utilizing the sun, the Earth's magnetic field, visual landmarks, and even counting their steps to find their way. This incredible sense of direction helps desert ants traverse vast, barren landscapes. Some ant species engage in warfare and enslave other colonies in highly organized raids, a dark yet fascinating aspect of their complex social structures. Thanks to their structured societies and the succession of fertile queens, some ant colonies can exist for decades, achieving a form of immortality that ensures their survival across generations. Though small in size, ants are mighty in impact, playing essential roles in our world's ecosystems. Their complex societies, incredible behaviors, and the sheer scale of their communities continue to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts around the globe. Join us next time as we explore more wonders of the natural world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the lives of Earth's inhabitants.